Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to do long division, and we're going to do that with the help of some yummy cookies. So first we need to set up our equation. So this here is the dividend, this is the divisor, and the quotient or answer will go up here on the top of the line. Now in our example, what we're going to do is work out the weight of a cookie if there are 6 cookies in a 250 gram pack. Now what we're going to do is divide the first digit. In our example, you'd want to work out how many times 6 goes into 2. Since 6 is larger than 2, the answer is 0. We'll write that up here. Now, because our divisor was larger than our first digit, it needs to be divided by the first 2 digits. In this case, it's how many times 6 can go into 25. Now the answer here is of course 4, so we'll write the 4 right up here. Now what we need to do is multiply the divisor. So we multiply the 6 by the number 4, which we've just written above the dividend. Now 6 times 4 is of course 24. So we're going to write 24 beneath the 25, and then we're going to draw a line underneath. Next we need to subtract the product, which means subtracting the number that you just wrote below the dividend from the dividend. So in this example, we're subtracting the number 24 from the number 25 to get 1. It's now time to bring down a digit. Because 6 can't go into 1 without exceeding it, we need to bring down the 0 from the 250 and place it after the 1, making 10. 6 can definitely go into 10. So now what we do is work out how many times 6 can actually go into 10. And it can go in 1 time, so we'll write 1 up here in the quotient area. Now we need to continue repeating the process and work out what 6 by 1 is. And of course it's 6, so we write that down here underneath the 10. After this, you subtract the 10 and the 6. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. This is called a remainder. Because 6 can't go into 4, it needs to be expressed as a remainder. Remainders are suitable for use when there are whole things that can't be divided easily, like people or like cars. Now the reason that we know that we've finished our equation is because there are no more numbers here that we can easily bring down in order to make 6 a bigger number. So we can't continue to use a multiple of 10 to keep dividing. So that's how we know that we've gotten to the end of our equation, and we've only got 4 single units to divide by. Now, long division can also be used to calculate fractions of things. What we'll do is tackle that in our next lesson.